you will be mine this Christmas. Ring, ring, ring. Hear the bells ringing on the Christmas tree. Minnesota when the snow is glistening.
Hey guys, it's Shanice. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome if you're new. Today is the first day of my 12 Days of Christmas series. If you're new here, I actually did this last year, so go check it out. I will link it in the cards right here. Holiday season is my favorite time of year. Just the music, the movies, the lights, family time, everything about it is why I love it so much. This 12 Days of Christmas will run until December 23rd. Be on the lookout. I will include a giveaway within one of the upcoming videos, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, and come back and watch some of the videos. With today being the first day of the video, as you can see from the title, I will be doing an unboxing video of a bag that I recently got. I recently bought a bag from the Coach outlet and I was really excited about it. So I actually seen this bag on my Instagram page, and as you guys know, Instagram loves to target you with the ads. I saw the bag and I really thought it was pretty, you know, it was nice, but I was like, I don't really need this right now. But then it just kept popping up on the story. So I went to go look it up and I was like, well, I kind of really like this. And I knew I really wanted it when I started thinking about the bag outside of Instagram. So one day I went to go check it out and it was sold out. So I was really hurt. I put my email in and they actually came up in my email and said the bag is back in stock. So I knew I had to get it. I got it immediately, and good thing I did because like 5 minutes after it was sold out. Coach has actually been rebranding and coming out with pretty cool bags. So this bag I think actually has been out for a little while, however, and it is called the Crossbody in Signature Canvas. The bag did come and today I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. So I actually opened the box, but I didn't open the bag, and that's what I'm gonna be opening with you guys today. So here's the box. So this is the bag, guys. As you can see. So again, the bag is called, let me make sure. It's called the Crossbody in Signature Canvas. And the style number for any of you who are interested in looking it up is 78277. So let's unbox the bag together. This box has been sitting here for a little while because I wanted to unbox it with you guys, but I'm so excited because I think it's a great fall and winter piece. Ooh. Y'all, this is actually my first, like, actually is it? Nah, I feel like I used to wear Coach a little bit in high school, but this is my first official like purchase with my own money. It feels good. Okay, so this is the bag. Pretty nice, as you can see. This is the signature Coach canvas. This top part is black. In the picture, I feel like it looks, let me see. Let me make sure. In the picture, it kind of looks brown, but no, it's black. So it's a signature coated canvas with a smooth leather details, and inside, this is how the inside looks. It does have an inside pocket to it, and this is the Coach ticket that it comes with. The bag is really sizable. I will show you guys towards the end what it can hold. It does come with a crossbody strap as well. Let's try to get this off. So let me go through the description. It does have an inside malfunction pocket, which I just showed. It has a turn lock closure, which is right here, and the fabric lining inside. It has a detachable strap. However, I don't think I will wear it without the strap, because without the strap, it kind of gives makeup bag vibes. You know, the little vanity bag. I really love this sizing because if you guys know the bag that I had within the St. Thomas video, it was like a pink bag. It kind of had this shape and size, except it was a little bit more squared. And I really love that bag. And this bag is kind of similar in terms of shape. So that's also one of the reasons why I wanted to get it. The sizing for the bag is 7 3/4 inches within length, 5 1/4 inches within height and 3 3/4 inches within width. Again, the bag number is 78277 if you're interested in getting it. It does come with gold hardware, which I really love because for me, 99% of the time, I'm always wearing gold. I don't really wear silver as much, so it complements all the jewelry that I would have, you know, when going out. I really love the bag also because it has a signature brown, but also has a little bit of black. It is transitioning now from fall into winter a little bit, so I definitely think it's a statement piece. If you are interested in get it, I will always say go on the Coach Outlet website. A lot of the times they are sold out, but you can sometimes put in your email and they can update you on when it's coming back in stock. So the official retail price for this was $328. However, when I got it, it was on sale for $164. However, right now it's on sale for $98.40. It may go down even lower than that, but I don't think so because that's already 70%. Here is the back of the bag. It has the lining detail in the middle and then 3 gold hardware in the back. So I'm excited to pair this with my outfits, my all black outfits, my brown outfits, my possibly all white outfits. I know they say don't wear all white after Labor Day, but who's gonna check me? It does have the tag as well on this. Let's see. No, I'm really excited about this. It's so nice. Another thing about this bag, it does come in another color scheme. I did look on the internet, it comes where this part is black and the top part, which is this part, the black part, is baby pink. I didn't see it on the Coach Outlet, however, so if you're interested in that, you may have a harder time finding that color scheme. But this one was on the Coach Outlet if you want to go check it out. The Coach Outlet also has a couple of other great bags as well that I was looking at, but I probably won't get. But if you are looking for a holiday gift, you can look into this or some of the other bags that they have online. So now let's check out what fits in the bag. I have a couple of items sitting on my lap right now. We're just gonna see, you know, what this bag can hold. So as you already know, it does have a small pocket on the inside. However, there's no zippers or anything. So make sure any loose items you put in like a baggie, you know, and then put inside the bag itself. Key item that everyone has is a wallet. So as you can see, this is my wallet. It's pretty big. This is how it fits in the bag. We also have my phone, which again is the 12 Pro Max. It fits right like this. My phone don't work. Okay. Then I also have a perfume. This one is the Gucci Bloom travel size one. Put that right in there. My contacts as well as my contact solution. I don't always take this, but I just want to see how much it can fit. I also got my lip gloss key staple. That one is the Fenty. I got my keys, necessities to get back in the house. Y'all, I got locked out the house the other day, so yes, necessity. Lip gloss. So as you can see, this is how it's starting to look. Still got some more space in there. I do like to take my charger sometimes because you never know if your phone's gonna go dead. And normally I take lotion, but the one I have right now is a big tub. I need to get a smaller one, so I can't try out how it would fit. But if it was a smaller one, I definitely would still have space for it to fit. Sometimes I also take a comb. I think this one is gonna be the bag's defeat. Yep, so I would need a smaller comb. As you can see, the comb will not fit in here, not even diagonally. It's pretty sturdy. The bag looks of great quality. Again, you can also wear it crossbody. It does have this belt part in case you want to make the bag bigger or smaller around your body. This bag is super cute and I'm excited to wear it for the rest of the fall and winter season. Y'all don't even understand. This bag is so cute in person. Like, just look at the gold detailing hardware, the signature canvas, even like the detailing of the bag, like on the gold hardware it says Coach. I love me a crossbody bag because a lot of the times I'm going somewhere, I don't always like to hold it in my hand. I don't want to put the bag down somewhere and forget it. I don't think I would forget my bag, but like I don't want to put it down somewhere and it gets snatched. I live in New York, so crossbody bags is just a great way. I can put it around my body and I know the bag is not going anywhere. So If you are interested in this bag, go on the Coach outlet. I'll also link it below. It may be sold out, but if you can, put your email in to the email subscribe thing. They will email you back whenever it's in stock. I've seen some on eBay. I'm not sure how official it is because you know how eBay is, but you can look for the signature canvas. Again, they also have the black and pink bag as well if you're interested in that color combination as well. Thank you guys for watching me and my new bag. I will put a compilation video towards the end of this so you guys can, you know, get a closer look at it. This is the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment what you think of the bag, if you think it's cute, if you're interested in getting it, or even buying it for someone as a gift for the holiday season. If you're new here, also make sure to subscribe to the channel and check back tomorrow for more videos. Until next time, bye guys.